Okay, everybody, we are going to do problems 4 through 11 on practice 10.3b, and it's my feeling that if you understand these, you'll be able to do the rest of the problems as well. So first of all, the given tells us that CD is equal to 108, so I'm going to mark that right here, and I know that this is equal to 108. So I'm not solving specific problems yet. I'm just kind of marking down the givens and the things that I know. Now, what we learned yesterday is that the inscribed angle is half the arc. So that tells me that the angle coming from the back is equal to 54 degrees. And let's mark our other given. I'll switch colors, and we know that BE is equal to 100. So going through like this, I know that that is 100 degrees, and I know that this back here would have to be half, but that's two different angles, so we really can't use that to our advantage. So let's think about what else that we do know because of this. So we know that this whole thing from A to D to C is a semicircle. I'm going to erase that. So since that is a semicircle, I know that AD through here is a semicircle with 108, so I know that AD must be 72 degrees. And if AD is 72 degrees, the inscribed angle from the back has to be half of that, has to be 36 degrees, which makes sense because the other theorem we learned is that if we have a triangle inside of a circle, and it is a right triangle, which this is because 36 plus 54 is 90, that its hypotenuse also has to be a diameter. So from here, this lets us kind of go through and start solving for different things that we need. So for number 4, it says solve for angle ABC. And angle ABC here, as explained before, is a 90-degree angle. So the answer to number 4 is 90. Number 5 said solve for angle CED. Angle CED is one that I didn't mark, but it would be marked in orange. And it has to be half of 108 because it comes from the back here, and this is 108. So it is equal to 54 degrees. Problem 6 says solve for angle BDE, and BDE, let's see here, this one here is 54. We will work towards BDE towards the end. And 7, I'm going to go angle CBD, and angle CBD is already solved here. It is 54 degrees. And number 8 is angle ABD. So let's see here. ABD is also marked as 36 degrees. Number 9 is BCE. Angle BCE. And BCE is this angle here. And this angle intercepts arc BE, which we know to be 100. So this angle back here has to be 50 degrees. And number 10 says solve for the measure of arc AD. And arc A to D, as it's marked right here, is 72 degrees. And problem 11, the measure of ABC. The measure of arc ABC. So in number 1, we did angle ABC. Arc ABC would go like this, which is a semicircle, which is 180 degrees. So the measure of ABC is 180 degrees.